Hey guys, so today we're making one of my favorite desserts ever. I love a simple chocolate chip cookie, but today we are going to be doing a Woodfire brown buttered chocolate chip cookie. It's going to give it some nuttiness, some caramelization, and then just the touch of the wood fire is going to make it so good. Also, this was my very first video I ever filmed, so just bear with me here because I just look very uncomfortable in the beginning. But yeah, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is brown our butter. Obviously, butter is amazing as it is, but when you brown your butter, it caramelizes the flavor. It gives it like a really good nutty flavor. We are just gonna put it in our saucepan and brown it. I'm gonna brown mine in my wood fire oven, but you can brown yours just right on your stove. Right here, I have my brown butter in an ice bath. You don't want to mix it in with everything while it's super hot. So just put that to the side. We're going to take our all-purpose flour and we're just going to mix in that salt. And we're going to put in that baking soda and then just give it a little whisk. Okay, so we're going to take our chocolate and just chop it up. And this is going to be a rough chop, so you don't have to make it perfect. It's actually better that way when they're not uniform pieces. So some bites of your cookie have a lot of chocolate, then some have a medium amount. And I always buy Ghirardelli chocolate. I feel like it's the best. And you always have to sample a piece. Make sure it's good. Now that we have our delicious chocolate all chopped up, we are ready to start mixing. We're going to take our brown butter and we're going to take our light brown sugar, our white sugar, and we're just going to cream that up, make it really nice and creamy. What do we do? What is it? To make cookies flat. Now that that's nice and creamy, we're going to add our vanilla. Our eggs, just go one at a time. Let that incorporate really well, then add your second egg. Make sure to just scrape the bowl because stuff always gets stuck at the bottom. So you want to get all that good stuff and keep mixing. Next, we're going to put in our flour, our salt, and baking soda that's all in this bowl. Start this on a low speed and then you can pick it up. Low shot. And then just keep mixing that until it's nicely combined. Then you're going to add our chocolate. Okay, now that we have this all combined, we're going to add our chocolate. Oh my gosh, I love chocolate. And you're just gonna hand mix this in, combine it really well. I love just eating cookie dough like this. I don't recommend it, but I do buy the pasteurized eggs, the one that's like $7 for 12. So I think if I took a little taste, I'd be okay. I'm done. I'm so excited. Now we're just going to scoop our cookie dough onto a tray and then let it sit in your fridge for about 10 minutes, preferably overnight in the fridge, but 10 minutes should work. cookies are all lined on our tray, and now we are ready to put them in the fridge, and then we can start cooking them in the wood fire. Okay, so I've left mine overnight. So I wanted my cookie dough to be nice and firm. If your butter's too warm, that's how you get a very thin cookie. But I like my cookies thick. I like them chewy, a little bit crispy. So this is the perfect cookie dough for me. Okay, so we have made our wood fire oven cookies. I am so excited. They look so delicious. They're very crispy out on the edges, and I know they're going to be so soft in the middle. So all that's left to do is try one. I don't know which one. They're so beautiful. I'm going to try this one because he's funny looking. These are so good. The edges are so crispy. The inside is so soft and gooey. The chocolate is just melting in your mouth. It is delicious. You guys have to make this recipe. It would be even better with some ice cream. I might do that right now. Make sure you guys comment and let me know if you guys would make this, or if you did make this and what you thought. I would love to hear it. Or if you guys have any other ideas of things you want me to make on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Oh, I hate that sound. You can't see me at all. I shaked my booty for nothing. Want our and I'll be back to be. No, I don't like that. Stop chocolate in my mouth. You guys have to try this recipe. Oh my god, am I okay? What am I even trying to say?